All right, eighth graders, here is your bell work for this week. We will be discussing topic sentences. Each week, I'll be putting up 4 or 5 different bell works that is dealing with sentence writing. This week, since there's only 4 days, you have 4 lessons to do. They are lettered A, B, C, and D. You can do one each day, or you can do them all at once. That's your choice. But each day's work will need to be submitted separately. This week, we're finding the topic sentence in a paragraph. All that you need to do is highlight or underline the topic sentence. I'll guide you through the first couple of them in on lesson 1A, but you'll be doing the rest of them and the rest of the weeks on your own. Good luck and have fun, and don't forget to submit each day's work separately through Canvas. So let's look at the first couple of these. It says, in the following paragraphs, draw a line under the topic sentence. Remember, the topic sentence isn't always the first sentence of a paragraph. Now, you can either underline or highlight it. I'm finding it easier on my iPad to highlight it. So look at the first paragraph. Brenda worked for years to become a newspaper reporter. She studied hard in school and she got good grades. Working at night for a local paper, she learned all the jobs that one can do on a newspaper. After Brenda graduated, she applied to several different newspapers. Finally, she was hired by the Ice Line newspaper in Alaska. We're looking for the topic sentence. The topic sentence is that one sentence that you could pull out that the rest of the sentence kind of emphasize. It tells me more about that. So when I look at this, Brenda worked for years to become a newspaper reporter. That is my topic sentence. So I'm going to highlight it. The next sentence tells me what kind of work she did. She worked hard in school and got good grades. Even the next one, working at night for a local paper, she learned the jobs. That once again tells me how she worked. When she graduated, she applied for different jobs, and then finally she was hired. So the first sentence in that paragraph is the topic sentence. Now, number 2, entering high school as a student for the first time can be an adventure. For one thing, the building is so large that it's easy to get lost trying to find the right classrooms, but it's fun locating them. Then, seeing and meeting new people can mean lots of new friends and dates. Next, trying to figure out how to unlock your locker, meeting your locker mate, and decorating your locker can lead to giggles and good times. Starting high school is an adventure which students remember for the rest of their lives. This has some key information in it that I want to circle, and I'm going to circle it in red. We have for one thing, and I'm going to kind of circle that. That is kind of going through a list. Then we have the word then, next. Those all are triggers that say, here's a list of things, which means those are not our topic sentence. So in this case, our very first sentence is once again our topic sentence. So you're going to read the other three paragraphs here, and then you are going to highlight what you think is the topic sentence. Oh, I'm highlighting where my fingers were. So you're going to highlight them, and then you're going to submit it. And remember, let me get back to my fingers. Each day of the week has a different assignment. If you want to go through and get them all done at once, that's fine. Or you can do one each day. I'm putting them all under the same Canvas assignment.